What's up, guys? Set Off Live here, and man, oh, what's up, guys? Set Off Live here, and Lord, I ain't dropped a video in a while, but yeah, more videos are gonna be coming constant now. So, but anyways, I'm gonna do all that talking after the video, but I'm gonna be reacting to Oxcord ending racism. I guess you can say it like that.
Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet ass call with your ass. Yeah.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4,
Hey,
5,
this ain't even
6,
sound like the regular
7,
song.
8 niggas at my slave house. 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 I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whips ready to whip you down. 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 Ready to whip you down.
Me and him thinking the same thing.
Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet
Wow,
ass
that's
call with your ass.
crazy.
Yeah, bro, I got the slap.
How is this gonna end racism though? Hey, send me your location, let's.
I can rape these nigger ladies. I just need me a little slave boo.
Little slave boo.
Take me back to slavery, cause I've been feeling racist lately.
Yeah, me and him wouldn't be friends at all. He would have been dead. He would have been dead. Like,
Sometimes I wonder.
Bro, I know your ass got some music on your phone, bro. I'm tired of sending this quiet ass call with your ass.
Bro, you always ask me.
Play that shit, bro.
Alright, fine.
hey.
Know some young niggas I can hang. Do you know some young niggas I can hang? Fuck that nigga
Then he just jamming in the car like the song fire.
Every day,
Like he don't have a nigga right next to him.
Made a light skin bitch my housemaid. Load her in with some chicken wings. Whip a slave, watch me whip a slave.
I would have
If she
killed
need a
him.
port, she go get
I would have just killed him.
hanged.
Like he would have got it. Seriously. Then he's shaking the car and jamming to that whack song.
Right now, get 'em. And once I hang a nigga, when he goes,
This song's so hard to him. Like, calm down. Yeah, choke him. Kill him. Lord.
Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet ass call with your ass.
Yeah, you already know.
I would have just sat in the quiet car. Ooh.
you know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god.
I'ma still turn
I'm
up.
a slave
You know
god.
they picking cotton.
Hey.
I'm a slave god.
Hey.
I'm a slave god. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Pick. Woke up to niggas escaping. Woke up to niggas picking
He
cotton.
really rocking
Pick.
some hard
Woke
to this
up to
whack boy
niggas
song.
escaping.
Woke up.
I woke up to niggas picking cotton.
Woke
I
up.
woke up to niggas escaping.
Woke up.
Woke up to
How
niggas
is
picking
this
cotton.
ending
Woke up.
racist?
Woke up to niggas escaping. Ooh, I think they running. Yeah, they running.
Wow, that was. Hate when the phone freaking slipped down, man. Now, that was Oxcord ending racism. I don't know how it ended racism. Y'all tell me in either way. But man, I haven't been dropping videos for a while. I'm sorry, but your boy been lazy. You know, coming home from school, just been so tired. And I know y'all been waiting on a story time Thursday. But you know, when the story time Thursday come out, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, man. But I'm gonna make sure I have y'all next Thursday, man. I'm not gonna forget, man. I promise y'all I won't forget. But anyways, you know, Set Off Live out.